If you like to keep your blueprints tidy, free of unused nodes and variables, this is for you. To begin, there is a simple way to clear unused variables, an option which I rarely see it presented. But if you want to include removal of unused nodes, like nodes that are not connected to anything, and the full report of what was removed, here's how. Include Blueprint Editor Library in your build.cs file. Then, assets you'll check against, collecting all the nodes found in each blueprint, get the variable type, collect all of them in a list, the actual cleanup logic, and finally the function that calls everything we assembled above, which you can also call from blueprints. Now, to see how this works in the editor, ensure you have an asset action utility that calls out the needed function. Select a blueprint or a bunch you want checked, then right-click Scripted Asset Actions, and there you have it. Your cleanup is done with a nice report message on screen, also in the output log. Tune in every 2 weeks for more quick tips and tricks for Unreal Engine 5. Thanks for watching.